in today's video I'll be trying something new, something different. It's gonna be a vlog of paint with me. I hope you guys enjoy this format. It's kind of new and different, but I just wanted to like sit, chat with you and paint. I've been really needing having the urge to just like sit and paint, and I figured Cara style is all about self-expression. I always say, like, one of my mottos is act like an artist painting a self-portrait. So I'm gonna just like sit here, chat with you, paint, and talk to you a lot about like what I'm thinking about fashion and sustainability, a slow fashion journey, like what does that mean to me, and the meaning of what I see fashion as. A lot of the times brands, clothing has a lack of spiritual fulfillment. Like the possessions of material goods does not fill your soul. It does not fill your soul with wholesomeness and a liveliness, and so that's something that I definitely want to talk to you guys here. Like, that's what I've showed to you, is more than just upcycling, and it is a personal journey where we get to explore our feelings, our emotions. What does that bring out to you? What does it inspire you to do, to improve about yourself? Like, it is a journey. It's more what we wear is a representation a lot of what we want to communicate, and what are those channels that we're communicating towards. I'm just chatting. I'm gonna go on a rant. I have mi cafecito. I actually wanted to make a matcha, but when I woke up in the morning I had coffee, and whenever I wake up drinking coffee, I don't like to have matcha on the same day because it's triple the caffeine. Like, if I have matcha in the morning, then I'm like down to get it in the afternoon, but because I had un café, I was just like sip on my afternoon coffee. I was like, what do I paint, what do I paint? And a lot of the times I am the kind of person that it's just a feeling. Like, I get the urge, I see, I do, I paint it, done. Like, what can I paint? So there's this painting that I made, and it was, my mom was cooking steak. My mom is like a carnivore, she loves eating steak, and my sister one night was obsessed looking for dogs. So this is, my mom is cooking steak, my sister wants a dog. That's the title. That will be the title of the painting that will be painting. So I'm just gonna try to recreate this painting that I made in a larger scale. Let's see if I still have the colors and if they're still good enough. But yeah, that's gonna be the title of our painting. My mom's cooking steak, my sister wants a dog. Genius. I love when I paint monochrome because, I mean, this is not monochrome. There's pink, there's yellow here, but I like limiting myself to a few colors. If I do use the rainbow, it becomes something more like my hand that I painted. This is my hand. To get the movement here, I just did and then used my hand to move it up. That's how I got the texture here with my fingers and these brushes. And then I just go for it. That's what we're gonna do. Just do it. I don't know, maybe I'll like talk, take pauses, chat, or you'll just like watch me in a quick ramble to paint. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy it. This chatty paint with me. Whenever I say act like an artist painting a self-portrait, is that a lot of the times I feel like we often dress in order to put on a persona. It's not our true selves, and I feel like there's a miscommunication there, because our professional identity stems from our personal development. So if you have a job, if you have a career or an occupation that you feel is not a representation of you, of what your values are, of what you care about, it starts to affect you. Like, a lot of stress, anxiety also stems from identity, and we're often shaped, a lot of the times we're shaped by what we grew up around, like our home. So then our needs professionally to develop stem from personal desires to grow. And also, like, think about it, like, you get money, that money is to reinvest in your well-being. I mean, I hope you're reinvesting it in your well-being. Well-being is key. That is the momentum. That is the whole thing, shebang. Guys, these paints are dried because I haven't painted in a while. I'm not sitting. Listen, I started in the chair because I was like, it'll look better if I'm just like sitting, like casual, like, hi guys, this is like the palette we'll be painting. Excuse, like, what? Where did I get this sound? I don't know. Just to make it cool. No sé. So yeah, I just do like this. And here starts the voiceover. So pretty much I started painting. I love spraying water into my canvas and just letting the paint almost get very thin and diluted in order for me to allow myself to get some shape of what I want to create. And whenever I create, again, like I keep on repeating, I just go with the feeling. A lot of times even fashion is about our feelings and our emotions and what we're really looking to satisfy. Clothes, like, I like the idea of fashion providing personalization process, like learning a new skill, something that you can develop, algo que de verdad like aporta a el desarrollo de la cultura. Because I think at the end of the day, if you notice, like like those sneakers that are nobody has, or like the most creative, like that's honestly like just because nobody else has it. This is definitely so chatty, but the one thing that motivated me, I remember, to get my license was that I could drive to 2 locations, the beach and the supermarket. Like, as a hobby, you can see it in my channel, I love grocery shopping. Like, that to me is so relaxing, and going to the beach also so relaxing. Like, I've always lived in islands, and it's important to feel that what is the gut feeling. Like, you know, I am super about like gut health, and let me know if you're a Nicki fan, but she has that dear old Nicki, I love your rawness. By the way, I can't rap, but she even says it in that song, I love your rawness and I love your edge. It's real, it's honest, and it's not putting on a persona. Having that vulnerability that is so powerful and so real, and actually represent and put in effort. But like, let's celebrate effort. Let's celebrate effort. And that's what makes you shine. You become the true version of yourself, and you don't have, like, doubt isn't as common, and you just like, you trust more your intuition. And often I do get overwhelmed and I feel like I need to pause, and remembering those pauses are super crucial. Okay, but about you, tell me, what kind of new music are you listening to? Personally, I love listening to a variety of music. I'm Dominican, so I do listen to a lot of trap, reggaeton, and I also speak different languages, so I love listening to Brazilian music, French music, not like NASA, listening to the music. What's gonna stay with you, that's what you're going to remember. So I love listening to Anya Nakamura, NASA, Jorge Mateus, música brasileira, adoro muito. One of my favorite songs is Piccola Stella by Ultimo. Okay, if let's say for instance you learn Italian, listen to Ultimo. I love listening to Ultimo. He has beautiful lyrics, beautiful sounds. He's so creative, and he's made a song with Ed Sheeran. Ultimo. I forgot what's the name of the title, but if you look up Ultimo and Ed Sheeran, you'll be able to listen to the song. What represents wealth, but what I focus on is my well-being, the wealth and the luxury that I feel from within, and that makes life, spending time, slowing down, so much better and real. Like, there's nothing like a slow day. like being present, alive, just doing your thing. There's nothing like it. And that's pretty much the philosophy that I share here in Carousel, is hearing your own tuition of how you want to spend your time, because the most valuable thing in life is time. I like to think about it as like, what do you enjoy hanging out? What do you like studying? How do you like to spend your time? Because we're hanging out. We're trying all together collectively to contribute to our society. But that should not hinder how you spend your time, because eventually, like, you can gain monetary wealth, but the wealth from within is a personal journey. And that's what sustainability is about. That's true sustainability, because at the end of the day, if you show up with the wrong habits, the wrong mindset, the negativity, the egotism, then it's not going to be sustainable at all. Those same traits will continue in with what we're calling sustainability. And sustainability is an exchange of energy. It's an exchange of feelings. You feel it from within. Like, you know when somebody's energized and ready to go and like do the best that they can, and then you can compare it to somebody that's just like, okay, let's just do this thing. Like, it's a big difference. I'm reaching 30s, and to be honest, the more age that I gather throughout the years, the more wisdom I gathered throughout the years is like, just be present, show up, say presente, present. Just say present and try your best. Perfection, our occupations, our professions are progress, and we need to start honoring progress over something that is clean cut and superficially looks together. And deeper, we get to understand the world, and those are questions, ideas that I often think about. And my mom is cooking steak, my sister wants a dog. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you found it entertaining, inspiring, creative. The connections between health, fashion, creativity, and making it a journey of wellness, of true wealth. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you found it entertaining. And there's something more that I can add. I feel like I could continue adding more to it, giving it more dimension, creating more depth into the steak. But I'm gonna leave it like this. Knowing myself, I might go later on and like add something once it's fully dried. This is our acrylic, by the way. I don't know if I told you in the beginning of the video if it's acrylic, but yeah, I pretty much just used acrylic. I diluted with water, and then I like to go around the edges of the painting with some gesso just to give it a nice crisp. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this format of the video, like if you enjoyed like just me sitting down and talking, rambling on as I paint. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed that. I'll make sure to create more videos just like that. And yeah, make sure to follow me at Carousel for more DIY inspiration, creativity, and just overall wellness of sustainable fashion, and how we can create a shining fashion journey together. Here in Carousel, we are the sun. We are not shadows. We're here to lead.